అవునా? Hi everyone, good evening. How are you all? Please respond. Hello. So first thing I want to confirm from you all whether all of you has registered like enrolled into a project or not. I need response from 23 students whoever has joined in the session. First thing you need to do is to enroll in a project. And one more important thing I want to mention you all is you can enroll for only one project. If by mistake if you have enrolled or else in any other case you need to change your project, that is not possible. So choose the project wisely and enroll into the project. Whoever has not enrolled into the project, please enroll into the project and start working on that. Is that clear, guys? I got only response from 7 to 8 students. What about the rest all? If you want, I will be showing you how to enroll into a project also. Let me show you guys, or else you know that. I think you all might have received your skill wallet credentials. Log in into that. I'll share my screen and show you. Wait for a second. So is my screen visible to you all? Yes, guys. Can is my screen shared my screen? At least we need to get some action whether it is sharing you to all. Yeah. What happened? See, so this is your account, right? This is your profile. When you log into this, after logging into this, you will be redirecting to your dashboard, which is your profile. Go to your skill wallet. There, you'll get an option virtual internship program for machine learning. Click on the access resources. So you will redirect here. Go to the group projects. Here in group projects, you are able to see the list of projects. From this list of projects, you can enroll any one of the project. It is clear. It is clear, guys. I was asking to show Shubham. Is that clear for you? Did you choose the project? So this is how you need to choose your project. Okay. Okay. This is done. So everyone is completed doing the project selection, right? Need thumbs ups from everyone saying that you have enrolled into a project. So it is clear for everyone, right? How to choose a project and the list of projects and all, right? Now, the next thing is, yesterday we were discussing about the project structure and project templates you need to follow while building your project and also when you submit your project. Is that clear for everyone, or else should I explain that once more? I need a confirmation from you regarding that. See, while submitting the project, you all need to follow those templates whichever we are going to provide you. You need to uh, build, like, you need to do that docs and submit the project. So are you all clear with the project template, project structure and all, or else shall I show you once more? Wait, I'll be showing you once more. Shall I show you once more, guys, or else is that okay for you all? First thing, you please give a confirmation that whether you are clear with that or not, with all the project templates and all. Is my screen visible? So it is visible to you all, right? Okay. So the structure you need to follow is, first thing, like, create a folder on your desktop. Yeah, and one more thing I need to mention is that you need to complete the self-based courses whichever we have given to you. That is the one which is IBM Cloud. So please complete that IBM Skill Build ML. Please complete that. It is compulsory for everyone to complete that. Is that clear? Everyone needs to complete that. So one thing, like, if you have chosen your project title, you have chosen your project title, start working on the project. There in your skill attendance portal, you will be having an overview of that, how and what milestones, different activities to be followed and all. Please look after them and start building your projects. Okay, it is clear for everyone. Guys, so yeah, no groups, and it is an individual project you need to build on your own. Every individual person has to submit their project. It is not a group based. You have to do it by yourself. Is it clear? I'm like I'm reminding you all once more again, it's an individual project. So please start building the project. Is that clear? Like, you have mentioned me that we all have chosen our project titles, right? Yeah, everyone. About data sets. Yeah, that you need to do it, Anjali. You're crossing every milestone, right? Milestone is the one. I hope you all got it. According to the title and all, please go ahead. And like in your workspace, if you go look after the every milestone there, you'll get the link for the data set, drive link for data set. Shall I show that? Once, wait. Is my screen visible now? Hmm. So even I can access only one project. So I'm going to the one predictive pulse harnessing machine learning for blood pressure analysis. If I go to workspace, this is your workspace. Okay. So here you can clearly see the project flow. All things you need to do, what all steps you need to follow are clearly mentioned here. So when you go to the data collection and preparation, when you click on the data set, here they have mentioned patient data, Google Drive link. If not, you can build on your own also. Like search in the Kaggle. We have many websites to search the data sets. Accordingly to the project scenario and the project name, you can search your own data set and start working on that. Clear, Anjali? Clear for everyone? It is an individual project you need to build on your own. Okay, it is not a group project. So what images are not available? Everything is clear, right? Divya, can you tell me like what images are not available? No dear, it is visible. Milestone, I can see it. Yeah, you can do it in Google Colab. These these the see, you can see the images. No issues with the images. Yeah, it is clearly visible. Once, Okay. We'll be checking over that why they are not visible. But see, I have also logged in as a student only. It is visible for me. You can clearly see here. I'm showing it to you, right? Then why can't you all cannot access that? Once try again properly. For which project is they are not visible? Tanmay? Okay. Okay. We'll look after that why they are not. Don't worry about that. Okay. 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 Don't worry about that. But you know the process, right? We have discussed all the things, right? Data collection, data pre-processing, EDA, train test split, model building, testing the model, deploying the model. Ah, understood. I'll be confirming you tomorrow about that. Okay? Divya, Balaji, Tanmay. Okay, okay, guys. Okay. Now coming to the project templates, is that clear for everyone? Or shall I explain once more? I'll create a folder, like how you need to do. First, you need to create a main folder. I'll share my screen. Which PPT, Anjali? Yeah, I'll be sharing in the Telegram group the whole project templates. Don't worry about that. After the session, I'll be sharing you all. Start working on that. Clear? So, how you need to create your folders is like first you need to create a main folder saying your project name, something ML. Inside that, you need to create your subfolders for project development and initialization. That is how you need to create all the folder structure. And what were the folders we will be having? Like first is project initialization planning phase. So inside this project initializing planning phase, you need to store like these templates: defining the problem statement, project planning template, project proposal template. Okay. So this is the first one. Next is the data collection and processing. So inside this, you need to keep the documents of data exploration and processing, data quality and all. After that, we have is model development phase. So inside this model development, you have to keep the feature selection report template, initial model training code, model selection report template and all. Next, after that, we have is model optimization and tuning phase. I'll show you the sample ML. So first they have created a folder for project initialization and planning phase. So inside this, we have stored all these things which are in project initialization and planning. Okay. Data collection and pre-processing, Next, we have model development phase. So inside the model development, feature selection, model code, model validation. I'll share all these things with you all, guys. So refer these things and start working on these. Yeah, I'll share, Sirisha. I'll share all the templates with you. Clear? So in the same way, you should structure your all templates inside while building your project, and then next you have to push this all folders in the same way to your GitHub repository. Create a GitHub repository. Yes, Divya, you can create create a GitHub repository. You all know how to create a GitHub repository. First thing, do you all have the GitHub accounts? If not, create it. Okay, create one GitHub account, create a repository, push all these folders into the GitHub repository, and then after compiling to your a second. So when you go to the project workspace, this is your project workspace. Here these are cards for every these things. Also, I'll be sharing you all a demo link. Don't worry about that. If you watch that demo link, you are like you understand everything. Okay, so and in that demo link, if anything, if you like some things are unnecessary, like there is a thing mentioned about Zira and all, no need to think about that, but I'll be telling you about all these things. It's okay. So here is the place where you can submit your project. This is a GitHub repo. That is where you need to submit your GitHub link, so that we'll be validating through your GitHub link. Make your project repositories public. Okay, don't keep it as private. If you keep it as private, we can't evaluate that. And after completion of your project, you need to create a demo link of your project within a duration like 5 minutes. Demo link of your project, and you need to submit your demo link also. Okay, I'll share everything in the video format also. You can look after the video and you will get a clarity over that. Don't worry. But meanwhile, I'm reminding you how to submit the project, how to create your project folder structure and all. So I hope it is clear for everyone regarding the project folder structure and the templates in the project folders and project enrollment. Next we have is submission of the project. You have gone to 3 steps. Any notes with anything at all? Sorry, guys. Sorry for the network interruption caused. Am I audible right now? Hello, all. Yeah. So, what we was discussing about. Hello, hello. Am I audible to you all? Yeah, yeah. Thank you. So, it is clear up till now, right? Okay. Wait for a second. Are there any doubts? No doubts, right? Yes, Divya, I'll be letting you know what will be the deadline to complete this project tomorrow, okay? Is that okay for you? Okay, okay, dear. Yeah, you need to build all these templates. You need to edit those, and you should build a demo link for that. I'll share you the demo link how to do the all process and all. Please look after the demo link. Everyone, you will get a clarity in that. Okay, okay. So are you all clear with model deployment? Show it once again. Give me 2 minutes of time. I'll set up the things and I'll show you. Okay with that? So this model deployment process you need to follow, everyone, using Flask. So guys, on Friday, the last Friday, we were discussing about the model building and model deployment also we have discussed, right? So this is the thing where you need to do after building your model. Okay, which if you will be building the model, right, so you will check the accuracy, precision, f1 score and all. So accordingly which model is performing well, that you are going to deploy it, right? So now I am going to show you how you need to deploy the model. Okay. Is my screen visible to you all? So this is a small project will which is going to predict which type of resin it is. Okay. uh, so I have just uploaded the data set, so I need to run the cells, right? This is the EDA process. First, I'll revise you all once more. First, we need to import the libraries whichever are required for us. Next is the step we need to load the data set, right? After loading the data set, you need to check what all types of columns it is having and all, right? So this is the process you are going to do in the data pre-processing, right? Checking with any null values and how many columns are present, description of the whole data set. If any null values are here in this data set, you are not having any null values. Every column is 0, it is showing. So if any null values are present, you are going to replace with uh, different methods. We are having to fill the null values, right? Mean, median, mode, and all. So next, after completion of your data pre-processing, we are going to enter into the EDA process. So this first is we are going to examine univariate analysis, where in that each column, each numerical column, we get an overall overview how it is shared among the data set and how is that working and all. You'll get an clarity by the univariate analysis. Next, we'll be undergoing with bivariate analysis, trivariate, which is multivariate analysis. There you are going to compare one or two columns with each other. So yeah, Nabin, I'll update you regarding that tomorrow. Don't worry about that. Clear? Okay. So that is how we are going to do the univariate analysis. So next after that is here we have built with the box plots. So in that, next we have seen the class distribution. Like this is my target variable, right? As I have mentioned, we are going to predict the Kissimmee type, whether it is Besney or some other one which name Besney and Kissimmee, like resin type. So these are the two different types of resins we have. Next, in the box plot, we have seen the outliers, so that I am removing the outliers here. Next, after that, I am converting this Kissimmee Besney into, like, I am encoding that to 01. So this is the process before train test split of your data, right? Next, we have this step is splitting of our data. After splitting of our data, we are going to build our models. So logistic regression, I've used decision tree, random forest classifier, k nearest neighbors. So with those things, I have checked the it is working properly, and so I am clear with this. This is the same process you need to follow, but According to the data set, you should deal with that. Clear? So now what I'm going to show is I have built models like that on logistic regression, decision tree and all. So I'll check with every model and deploy that model, whichever the model is performing well. Yes. How much accuracy we got for decision tree? Sorry, logistic regression 0.83. For decision tree, we got 0.79. For random forest, we got 0.82. For KNN, we are getting 0.76. So among all this, decision tree, sorry, logistic regression has high decision tree, which means it is working great, right? So after this, you are going to test manually whether the model is working properly or not and all. So this is the process after model development and checking with the model. After this, as I had the decision tree logistic regression is working, I am going to download this model using joblib. So you need to import the joblib. After importing the joblib, you need to save your model, save the model into the logreg model. So after saving the model, you need to load the model, download the model. So when I run this cell, you can clearly see here the logreg model.joblib will be downloading. So this model will get downloaded. This is the thing process you need to do in the Colab, right? So wait, I'll show. When you go near downloads, here you can clearly see the logreg model.joblib file will be downloaded. So not only joblib, you can use pickle also. Pickle file will be generated. That is also another process. We have to download our models. It's up to you, whichever the thing you can download. Next, after this, go to your VS Code. So this is the place where you are going to deploy your model, which means, see, you cannot directly show here, right? The things. Here I am testing it with some values. So it is going to return me whether it is which type of resin or not. But if you want to present it someone, you cannot directly show the code to everyone, right? So that is the reason why we need to deploy so that we can show it for others in a presentable way, right? For that, first thing you need to do is you need to build a structure for that. So what is that structure? This is the let's take this folder only. Inside this folder, we was discussing about the project templates, right? We'll remove this. So inside an folder, first you need to create a folder for storing your name called model. Okay. So model folder has created. Next, we have to create the static folder. After static, so in this static folder, you are going to store all your images required for your website. Okay. You are going to build a small website. I'll show you all that one also. You feel excited. So next we have is this templates. Templates is the folder where you are going to store all your templates. So next, you need to create the app.py file. Sorry, created a folder app dot. Sorry. Okay, this is the folder structure. Clear for everyone? So this is the folder structure you need to create. So here you can clearly see model. So whatever the model you downloaded, copy that model and store it in your model folder. Next, after that, we are having the static folder. So inside the static folder, I have created another folder, images, where you are going to store all your images. Next, we have is this style.css. This style.css is the one where I'm going to store all my style files. Next, we have this folder called as templates, where in this you are going to store all your HTML templates. Next we have is this app.py code. So can all confirm me whether you are clear up till here? What all we have discussed up till now? I need confirmation from everyone. You all might be knowing the HTML Flask and all, right? I'm discussing that one only. Please don't worry about this. Yeah, yeah. So you are clear with this, right? The for model deployment process, the project, like the folder structure, how it should be and all. Okay. So this is how you're going to store all the things in your folders. And next, in the templates, I have created a home template, index template, login and all. Even you can create it using many tools we have. If you don't know HTML and all, you can give it to the AI tools and you can, if you don't know that, if not, you can build on your own, but please try to learn. Okay. Am I audible to you all now? Guys, am I audible? Am I audible? Is my screen visible to you all? Now is it visible? Even now it is not visible. I have shared my screen, guys. Why this network is okay? Thank you. Great. So this is how we are going to build all the templates. In the app.py code, we are going to connect all the templates, and also you have stored your model in folder. So you are going to give the path of that model here with in where it is going to store in a variable called model in the name of model, and you are going to give route for all the templates. This process we have discussed, it is earlier only. So this is the process for deploying your model. Okay. Clear? So when I run this app.py code, locally on my computer, so how the big models also are also get will deploy. Okay, if you do this completely, this is the complete project deployment. Get, click on it. So this is how, so this is the first template to register. Give it something. Registering, what was the password? It login into this. So these were the columns which where model is trained on. Okay, you have to give the values for it. So the model is going to which type of resin it is. Okay. So it is going to give the predict result as resin type is Besney probability and all. So is this clear for everyone? So this is the process of deployment of your project. Everyone, are you clear? Everyone is clear with this? I need response from everyone. Or shall I explain once more? Divya, Afrin, Lasya, Anjali, Sudhanshu. It is clear for you guys? Whatever the thing. Yeah, what's your doubt? Is my voice breaking? Shall I show you once more, Divya? So we were discussing about the project structure, right? In the model folder, you need to store your model. Next, in the static, inside the static folder, we have created an images folder where I have all. Inside the templates, I have stored all the templates. Here in this app.py code, in this code, we are going to give the route for every template, and also we'll be going to initialize the model path here. So this is how you need to build after download model. So when you run this file, with python app.py, you are going to get a local link. So this is how you are going to get. So these are the columns or the attributes where the model has trained on. Even in your okay, explain this tomorrow. Don't worry about this. I'll explain this tomorrow again. Now the network is too slow. Sorry for the inconvenience. I'll explain this tomorrow once more. Okay for that? Now, if you are having any doubts regarding the project while building the project, anything, you can ask me. Start doing the project. Okay. Okay. If you have any doubts, ask me. No doubts, right? If not, you can start building your project. While building your project, if you have any issues, let me know. I'll clear you all. Okay. Yes, I shared in the Telegram group the project structure templates where you need to follow the thing. Please check with that. Follow those all templates. Like after completion of every the template you need to build, go to the so that it makes you work easier. Okay.